Have you ever opened your laptop to study, and 10 minutes later, you're somehow watching a cat learn piano? Yeah, same. It's not that you're lazy, it's not that you don't have discipline. Your brain has literally been reprogrammed, and not by you. In this video, I'm gonna show you why your focus keeps dying every 10 minutes. And more importantly, how to take it back using a few simple habits that actually work in real life. Let's fix this. Okay, so here's what's going on. In simple terms, every time you scroll TikTok, check messages, or even open another tab while studying, your brain releases a tiny shot of dopamine. That's your feel-good chemical. It's like your brain saying, "Hey, nice, something new." But the problem, your brain starts craving novelty instead of depth. You've literally trained it to search for what's next instead of stay with this. So when you sit down to focus on a lecture, a book, or an assignment, your brain's like, wait, where's the next dopamine hit? That's why focus feels painful. It's not a lack of motivation. It's a chemical imbalance created by constant micro-stimulation. But here's the thing, you can retrain your brain to crave focus again. It's not hard, but it takes some small, smart shifts. Let me show you how. First, let's talk dopamine detox, but not the extreme no phone for 7 days nonsense. I'm talking about the light version, something you can actually do. Here's what it looks like. When you study, put your phone in another room. Close every extra tab that's not part of your work. And when you take breaks, don't scroll. Do something boring. Walk, stretch, stare at the ceiling. It sounds dumb, but that boredom is where your focus muscle starts to rebuild. Think of it like lifting weights. The moment you resist the urge to scroll, that's one rep for your attention span. Next, the 10-minute rule. If you can't focus, just tell yourself, I'll do this for 10 minutes, then I can stop. Your brain hates starting things, but once you get going, it calms down. And 9 times out of 10, those 10 minutes turn into 30 without even realizing it. This works because your brain switches from resistance mode to flow mode. The hardest part isn't working, it's starting. So lower the barrier. Start small. Momentum is everything. Now, once you've broken the scroll habit and started small, here's how to level up your focus. Use what I call focus blocks. It's simple. Pick one task. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Focus fully until it rings. Then take a 5-minute break. No screens. That's it. If you repeat this 3-4 times, you'll be more productive than someone who studied for 5 hours straight while checking their phone every 10 minutes. Because focus isn't about time spent. It's about attention kept. Okay, final step. Make your environment do the work for you. If your desk is cluttered, your brain is cluttered. If your phone is visible, it's already winning. So, make focus frictionless. Clean space, dim lights, instrumental music if that helps. Create a vibe that tells your brain, this is focus mode. And if you can, make that space consistent. So every time you sit there, your brain switches into study gear automatically. Let's recap real quick. You're not broken, your brain's just overstimulated. Cut the micro distractions. Start with 10 minutes. Build focus like a muscle, 1 rep at a time. The ability to focus is the ultimate cheat code in 2025, because while everyone else is drowning in notifications, you'll be building the kind of attention that changes your life. So, tonight, try it. 10 minutes, no phone, 1 task. You'll be surprised how powerful it feels to actually be present. If you're ready to level up your focus and discipline, hit subscribe, and let's keep building the focus method together.